Custom glass designs for your home. Homeowners use a combination of glass designs to create visual interest and personalize their home's aesthetic appeal. We can tailor glass designs to fit any kind of home, be it modern or traditional. Glass walls. Glass partitions can let in a fresh and airy feel into any room. They increase natural lighting by connecting the interior and exterior areas while still separating spaces. Frosted or textured glass walls can provide you with a modern take on privacy. A lot of homeowners use custom glass walls in home office settings or as room dividers. Clear glass provides an unimpeded view and adds visual appeal to any indoor environment. Glass tabletops. The fact that glass tabletops are easy to clean is among their most appealing attributes. A lot of people use custom glass tabletops on top of elegant table bases because of their see-through nature. You can pair glass tabletops with metal or reused wooden feet if you want something a little more rustic and industrial. Custom mirrors. Mirrors, when positioned strategically, reflect light, making even the smallest rooms seem warmer and cozier. You can select different sizes, designs, and finishes to match your existing furniture. Because they are useful and beautiful, custom mirrors make a great choice for bedrooms, bathrooms, and foyers. Just imagine mixing a glass wall with a sliding glass door to give the impression of more space. This design setup not only increases the amount of sunlight entering the room and makes the area look bigger but can also help with heating and cooling. If you're ready to transform your home with custom glass designs, call Raben Glass today. Our company has over 40 years of experience in the residential and commercial glass industry. We are bonded and insured, and our work and products are guaranteed. Ready to get started? Give us a call.